What the fuck is wrong with motherfuckers?
Just letting you know.
Success
Donald J. Trump
guarantees
is a
continued
little cheater.
access to premium benefits.
But you guys should know. I can't jump up there.
God.
Dude, complaining over and over.
One hostile
Oh, you
remains.
horse.
Take them
He's
out.
in the... Right there, Brother Day house.
The round is ours.
Okay.
Exemplary work.
I know a nigga that I carried last game ain't sucking my dick.
Yeah, he is. It's fucking Glock
Carried?
5000.
Carried? I don't see no carrying going on.